In today's video, I'll show you how to edit status in Notion so you can stay on top of your tasks and projects with ease. Start by opening your Notion workspace and heading to the page or database where your tasks are listed. Find the task you want to update and click on the status property. This could be something like in progress, completed, or any custom status you've created. Once you click, you will see an option to edit property. Here's where the customization happens. You can change the property type, whether it's a select option, checkbox, or something else. And you can also adjust how it's displayed. To make your workflow even more visual, you can assign colors to different statuses. For example, green for completed, yellow for in progress, and red for urgent. This makes it super easy to see progress at a glance. Play around with the options. Duplicate, delete, or tweak until it fits your style. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll get with Notion's flexibility. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit and customize status properties in Notion. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your projects organized and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.